Wow. The Viper just arrived. Listen, if you're going to buy an RS3, why not buy one in the most head-turning colour, Audi Sport colour, individual paint colour, Viper Green. Now, this is the only RS3 Sportback available in this colour, Viper Green. It's a 2019 69. It's in a wonderful order. It's got great specification. It's a Sport Edition, so it's got the black styling package, it's got the wheel upgrade, it's got the opening sunroof. The colour is the wow of this car. It's absolutely phenomenal, and an RS3 like this is such a great car to hold its value. 2.5 petrol, 400 horsepower, 4 seconds 0 to 60. This car's covered 57,000 miles, but don't be put off by the mileage, because a car like this is such... It attaches so much interest to it when we advertise them. There's so many people who want one of these cars. For me, it's probably the ultimate RS3 if you're going to buy one, because it's got the individual paint colour, it's got the right spec. This car's got a comfort and sound pack. It's a Sport Edition, so it looks good, but it's also got Magride, it's got sports exhaust, it's got phone box, it's got super sport seats, it's got opening sunroof. It's in a lovely condition. It's got a Gtechniq ceramic coating, and it's got a full front end PPF. So, you know, the previous keeper has looked after it, and that's all important. It's just recently been serviced in May as well. But there's such a great fun car to drive. It's of course Quattro, it's a 2.5 petrol. It handles great, it sounds even better. And it's just the head-turning colour. This isn't a wrap, so if you're watching this video, please don't ask if it's a wrap. It's a genuine Audi individual paint colour. And you just won't see another one driving around on the road. And that's what's so attractive about this. Not only that, we are pricing it in the market to sell, so it's a wonderful price. Now let's get on to the car. RS3, Sportback means it's got 5 doors, so 4 doors and a boot. You can get a saloon, but I think the Sportback is the most attractive one and probably the most popular one you can buy. This is a Sport Edition, so we've got the black styling, so black grille, black inserts into the grille. We've got the Audi LED headlights, and then the wheels. Those wheels are a 19-inch wheel. They're an Audi Sport wheel. The design's really, really lovely, and it's got the black braking calipers. Comfort and sound pack in this car gives it your keyless entry, it gives you reversing camera, and it also gives you the B&O stereo. So all of these things really, really matter in a car like this. It's got carbon fibre interior, it's got opening sunroof, it's got privacy glass, but it's also practical as a 4-door hatch. So Isofix points across the rear, which might be important to you. It'll seat 5 passengers, probably 5 adults, and then it's got a boot, so it's got space in the boot as well. With the comfort and sound pack, obviously we've got the camera system, we've got a big boot, we've got split folding seats, front and rear parking sensors, and then at the bottom you'll see this Sport Edition gives it the black diffuser, but also the black exhaust tips, and it's got the sports exhaust, so when you're driving it, it sounds incredible. Now, the car's in a lovely, lovely order, and it's been looked after, so it is a 69 plate car with 57,000 miles. Don't expect this car to be brand new, but the PPF starts just about here and goes all the way down the pillars on both sides. Front wings are PPF and the bonnet's PPF. It's also had a ceramic coat, so, you know, what more could you actually want from an example like this? Look at the seats. These Super Sport seats are a big option. You'll see the quilted section almost looking like a python, these seats. RS embossed, full nappa leather, stunning. Then into the door, you'll see the carbon fibre inlays, Audi Sport puddle lights, and then get to the good bit. This is a Sport Edition car, so we've got the Alcantara, really important because this isn't standard either. Alcantara sections on the steering wheel, it's flat bottom. We've also got the Alcantara gear shifter, Audi Dashcam at the front as well, so, you know, for insurance purposes, I'm sure that'll help. And then, if I move my seat down, the big feature on these cars is this, the opening sunroof. So, tilt and sliding sunroof, which is lovely. This car really comes standard now with a tech pack, so full switchable digital interface behind the cockpit there. And it's just an absolute beauty. I mean, to jump in this and use it every day, because it's 4-wheel drive, because it's so quick, because it sounds good, it's a real smile on your face car every time you jump in. I love it. You'll see I've reversed the car in, so we've got the reversing camera, 360 graphic, and if we go back into the home menu, you've got navigation, you've got telephone interface, you've got media interface, you've got smartphone. You've got smartphone integration. If you put your phone in under the armrest, you can use the smartphone capability. We've also got Audi phone box with wireless phone charging under the armrest. We've got 2 keys, we've got keyless entry, we've got keyless start. What a wonderful car it is, and a wonderful example. Come inside, heated front seats, switchable just here, digitalised climate control, cruise control, paddle shifters to drive this car to the ultimate. And then if we go into the drive select function, we've got different driving modes for this vehicle. Selecting individual, whoops, go back into that again. We can then tailor gearbox, how you want it to perform, suspension, because it's got Audi Magride, we can change the suspension. You can really stiffen this suspension. I'm going to put it into dynamic. Steering wheel goes into dynamic, quattro goes into dynamic, engine goes into dynamic with the sport exhaust. This is a flying machine, a road holder, an incredible noise making car, and it's wonderful. Nothing not to love about it. It will come fully prepared by our team here, but if you're looking for the best RS3 for sale, for the money, in the UK, in the best colour, then this has got to be it. We sell so many sports and performance cars, more often than not being £300,000 down over. When you get something like this, it generates more interest than those £300,000 cars, because it's really rare. On the website now, my name's Richard, my number's on the screen. If you're looking at this car, ring me up, get it reserved straight away. Thanks for watching.